Aircraft get electrical power from multiple sources, depending on whether they are on the ground or in flight. Here's a breakdown of different multiple power sources which provide electrical power to an aircraft's systems. The aircraft's main engines drive engine-driven generators called IDG or Integrated Drive Generator. The integrated drive generator plays a crucial role in an aircraft's electrical system. IDG output is normally between 115 and 120 volts depending on the aircraft. IDG provides electrical power for all the aircraft systems. It consists of a generator and a constant speed drive, CSD. Large commercial aircraft typically have multiple generators for redundancy. Each engine typically has one IDG fitted to it. The APU is a small gas turbine engine located in the tail section of large commercial aircraft. It provides electrical power and bleed air when the main engines are off, such as on the ground before engine startup and during emergencies in flight. The APU drives a generator similar to the main engine generators. External Ground Power Unit or GPU. When the aircraft is parked at the gate, it can connect to an external power source, known as a GPU. GPUs are often used to avoid fuel consumption by the Auxiliary Power Unit or APU. Airports supply 400 Hz AC power through cables connected to the aircraft. Aircraft batteries are critical components that provide electrical power for essential systems, especially during emergencies or when other power sources are unavailable. Serving as backup power. Aircraft have onboard batteries, typically lithium-ion or nickel-cadmium batteries, common in modern commercial and military aircrafts. Aircraft batteries serve several key purposes: APU and engine start backup power ground operations voltage regulation. Batteries are charged in flight by the main engine generators or on the ground via external power sources, GPU or APU. A ram air turbine or RAT is a small deployable wind turbine used as an emergency power source in an aircraft. It provides electrical and hydraulic power in case of a main power failure, ensuring critical systems remain operational. The RAT is deployed automatically or manually when all main generators fail. Hydraulic pumps stop working, requiring backup power. The aircraft loses all primary power sources in flight. It generates power by using the airstream from the aircraft's motion, similar to a wind turbine. It generates power by using the airstream from the aircraft's motion, similar to a wind turbine. It is usually found in the belly of the fuselage or the wing root of commercial aircraft. Power distribution. The electrical power is managed by electrical distribution systems that route power from generators, which include main engines, APU, batteries, external power from the GPU, and RAT. Power is converted between AC and DC as needed for different aircraft systems. Thanks for watching.